When you're working in Microsoft Word, one of the most important things to understand is text and text formatting. In this video, we will go over the basics of text and how to format it in Microsoft Word. In this video series, we are using MS Word, which is included in MS Office 2021. A font is a set of letters, numbers, and punctuation symbols that is printed on a page or displayed on a computer screen. A font has variations for font size, color, and family. Formatting refers to the different styles and attributes you can apply to your text to make it stand out or match a certain design. The font formatting options are present in the font group in the Home tab. Let us create a project cover page to understand the various formatting tools. We have created a simple project cover here. Let us now enhance its appearance by using the various tools present in the font and paragraph group. Let us start with font style and size. We can select a font style and size from the drop-down menus or simply type in the desired size. We can also use the increase font size and decrease font size buttons to quickly adjust the size. First, select the project title. Now, set Calibri as the font style and set the font size to 46. We will now make the title uppercase by selecting uppercase from the drop-down menu under the Change Case tool. The other case options available are sentence case, lowercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. We can further enhance the title by using formatting options such as bold, italic, and underline. Let us make our title bold and also underline it. Let us now add text effects to the title. The text effects offers a variety of visual effects that can be applied to the text, such as shadow, reflection, glow, and more. Let us select this blue with white outline and shadow option. We can also change the color of the text by using the font color tool. Let us select dark orange as the text color. We can also highlight the text to draw attention to it like this. We will now apply text formatting to the other text on the cover page. Please observe carefully. Let us now use alignment, indentation, and spacing options to upgrade the look. These options are present in the paragraph group under Home tab. We will first make all the text center align. Next, we will increase the spacing between the title and the subtitle by using the line and paragraph spacing option. We will select spacing as 1.5. Finally, let us add a border to our page. For this, click on the Borders tool. Select Borders and Shading from the drop-down. A pop-up window will appear. Select the page border, tab, and select Custom. Now go to the last drop-down, Art. Click on it and select any option of your choice. Now click OK. Wow! A beautiful border has been added to our cover page. And there you have it! By using these basic text formatting tools, we can make our documents look more professional and visually appealing. Remember to save your work frequently by clicking on the Save button or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Thanks for watching and happy formatting! For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.